This is Smokey Las Cruces' famous singing chihuahua. Last week, Smokey had a birthday party, and in lieu of birthday presents, Smokey decided that she'd rather have her friends and her fans donate to the Animal Service Center in Mesilla Valley. And I want to turn this over to the director.
I would like to thank Smokey very much for coming and singing for us and donating. It was such a generous offer.
She's going to sing Who Let the Dogs Out for you.
You don't want me to clap, you want me to kiss you. Okay, are we done? Okay, that's enough, sweetie.